Welcome to the channel, ladies and gentlemen. Today I'm going to show you how quick and easy it is to add and pay your bills in QuickBooks. Alright, so let's jump straight in. The first thing we need to do is click on the new or the plus button, or then you're going to see a list. You're going to click on bill. You then need to enter the vendor details, the payment terms, the due date, and you need to assign to proper accounts or a category. You then need to attach an invoice photo for your complete records. You then going to hit save and close on your bill automatically, while your bill will automatically be moved to the unpaid bills tab. You need to then review the details and upcoming due dates to stay organized. Here then you can select pay bill and choose your payment method. You can then check the ACH transfer or the online payment, and then you need to select the bank account and enter your payment amount. QuickBooks automatically matches your payment to the original bill, creating clean, accurate financial records without any duplicate errors. You can also instantly view the paid versus unpaid bills. You can monitor your cash flow impact, and you can also receive overdue payment alerts to maintain a healthy vendor relationship.